Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the topic adverb. What is adverb? Yes, Anita takes exercise daily. She sings well. The underlined words daily and well add something to the meaning of verb. Definition: an adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, or an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how a thing is done, when it is done और where it is done. जो adverb है हमें क्या बताता है? It tells us how a thing is done, कि कोई चीज़ कैसे होती है, when it is done कब होती है, और where it is done और कहाँ पे होती है. Next है kinds of adverbs. There are 6 types of adverb. Number 1, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner, for example, slowly, fast, bravely, quickly, etc. These all are adverbs of manner. Slowly, for example, the tortoise moves slowly. Tortoise कैसे चल रहा है? Slowly, धीरे धीरे. Fast, a horse runs fast. Horse कैसे चल रहे हैं? Fast. Next, bravely. The Indians fought bravely. Indians हैं जो कैसे लड़ रही हैं? बहादुरी से. इसी तरह से quickly. These all words are adverbs of manners. Next है adverbs of place. For example, here, there, inside, outside, etc. These all words are adverbs of place. Adverbs of place answer the question where. For example, he is standing here. He is standing और राम is standing here. कि राम यहाँ पे खड़ा है. तो इसको हम कैसे पता चलेगा? Where is Ram standing? What will be the answer? Answer क्या है? Here. तो here is adverb. There, the bus stops there. बस कहाँ रुकती है? There, वहाँ पे. Where does the bus stop? There. इसी तरह inside, the mother is cooking inside. Outside, the mother is waiting outside. Next है adverbs of time. Daily, today, tomorrow, early, late, etc. For example, he goes to school daily. Mother will leave the hospital today. Tomorrow, father will come tomorrow. इसी तरह ये क्या है? एग्जाम्पल एडवर्ब्स. कौन सा एडवर्ब है? एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम, जो हमें टाइम के बारे में बताता है. नेक्स्ट एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. ऑलवेज, ऑफन, ट्वाइस, वंस, एटसेट्रा. Adverb of frequency. Always. For example, he is always late. Often, you often go to temple. Twice, I called at his house twice. Once, I went to Agra once. Next है adverbs of degree. Very, quite, nearly, fully, etc. All these are adverbs of degree. Very, the rose is very beautiful. Quite, he is quite strong. nearly. The cup is nearly full. Adverbs of degree. Answer the question how much or to what extent. Next है interrogative adverbs. How, when, where and why, etc. For example, how are you today? When? When did you come? Where? Where did the place you see? Why? Why was she late? Etc. Adverbs used for asking questions are called interrogative adverbs. Yes, now we will complete the Unit 6 Adverbs of your practice book, worksheet number 1. Read the following sentences. The participant danced gracefully. The driver drove the bus carefully. Mr. Verma left for Kanpur early. She narrated the story later. The meeting was held here. Now answer these questions in one word. How did the participant dance? How did the participant dance? Gracefully. Yes, you will write the answer here. Gracefully. Number 2. How did the driver drive the bus? How did the driver drive the bus? The driver drove the bus carefully and the answer is carefully. How? कैसे ड्राइव की बस? केयरफुली. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन डिड मिस्टर वर्मा लीव फॉर कानपुर? व्हाट वाज द क्वेश्चन? मिस्टर वर्मा लेफ्ट फॉर कानपुर अर्ली. देन द आंसर इज अर्ली. व्हेन? कब छोड़ा? अर्ली. व्हेन डिड मिस्टर वर्मा लीव फॉर कानपुर? अर्ली. नेक्स्ट है, when did she narrate the story? She narrated the story later and the answer is later. When? Later. Next है, where was the meeting held? Where was the meeting held? The meeting was held at here. The answer is here. Yes, all the words you have written to answer how, when and where tell us something more about the verbs in the sentences. Next, move on the worksheet number 2. Yes, worksheet number 2. Read this conversation and underline the words that tell us where the action takes place. Mr. Kothari, Mr. Sood was supposed to come. Has he come? Raghu, yes sir, he is waiting for you downstairs. Downstairs is adverb. Mr. Kothari, I have to discuss with him something important. Where is my briefcase? Raghu, pointing to the briefcase. It is here, sir. Here. Here is adverb. Adverb of place. Downstairs is also adverb of place. Here is also. Mr. Kothari, and where are my glasses? Raghu, I don't know. Sir, I have looked for them everywhere, but I can't find them. Everywhere is also adverb, adverb of place. Mr. Kothari, thank you. Yes, you have underlined the words that tell us where the action takes place. कि action कहाँ हो रहा है. These words are called adverbs. कहाँ हुआ action? Downstairs. Next में where is the briefcase? Here. Next, everywhere. All the three words are adverb of place. Yes, next move to worksheet number 3. On the basis of the pictures given in the next page, complete the sentences. Take help from the aid box. The first one has been done for you. Aid box: bitterly, bravely, cheerfully, sweetly, angrily, and peacefully. Yes. Number 1. The man is shouting angrily. How is the man shouting? Answer is angrily. Next, the boys greeted each other cheerfully. The girl is crying bitterly. Next, the child is sleeping peacefully. The soldiers fought bravely. And the next, Anita Singh is singing sweetly. Anita Singh is singing sweetly. Yes, the words you have used to fill in the blanks tell us how the action takes place. They are all adverbs. They are adverbs of manner. All these words, angrily, cheerfully, bitterly, peacefully, bravely, and sweetly, are adverbs of manner. Yes. Move on the worksheet number 4. Yes, worksheet number 4. Adverbs of time. Unscramble the letters given below. One has been done as an example. Number 1. REAAYDL. इनको क्या करना है हमने? Unscramble. The new word is already. 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 Next, ATLA. Word क्या form हुआ? Late. 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 Third one, GOA. New word, AGO. Ago. WON. New word, NOW. Now. FEEROB. New word है before. 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 Next, SONO. New word है soon. 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 Next है worksheet number 5. Now use the unscrambled words from the previous worksheet to fill in the blanks given below. One has been done for you. Number 1. I have heard this story before. Next, we must begin our work now. She arrived late. I have already done my homework. Next, there lived a prince long time ago. Next, the train will be arriving soon. The words you have filled in the blanks tell us when the action takes place. These words are also adverbs. Now, late, already, ago, and soon. All these words are adverbs of time. Yes, next, worksheet number 6. Do you know your friend? Think of any one student in your class whose habits you know well. Imagine you are that person and complete these sentences as he would. I always enjoy reading a book. Next, I usually go to temple. I rarely go to park. I never eat junk food. I sometimes get angry. I often go for cycling. Yes, now circle the words that tell us something about the verb. Circle the words. All the circled words tell us something about a verb. Yes, after reading out your sentences, ask the class or your partner to guess your friend's name. The name of the student you had thought of is, yes dear students, you will write here the name of your friend. Notice that the words you have encircled are words that tell us how often the action is done. They are also adverbs. All the circled words, always, rarely, usually, never, sometimes and often, tell us how often the action is done. All these words are adverbs. Yes, dear students, next page number 51, 52 and 53. You will try it yourself and submit to me. Yes, beta, complete your practice book Unit 6.